was some problems at the coal station. Basement. Harald Sohlbergs way. 2 in Alna, or Eriksrosås in Alna, Oslo, Norway. In 2000, it's 303848. Unfortunately, this elevator is going to be replaced after a half year, but it's going to be replaced by Kone at least. But it's too early replacement. Eighth floor. There was a machine room of the old elevator. Nobody's coming. Inspected by Oslo Ice Control, maintained by Kone. I found this Sigma elevators already 1 year ago, but I only got 4 of them filmed. And today I've got 2 more. But, let's hope that I can get even more. But I think there are 2 left, and I didn't get Ludwig Carstens 10 filmed, but it was from Finland, got it filmed, and I didn't get other elevator at Ludwig Carstens 4 and the elevator at Ludwig Carstens 6, unfortunately. Ground floor. All of these Sigma letters are going to be replaced here. Okay, that's